So, this is why I came inside. Now it's pouring down rain. So, that video is uploading right now. It's getting harder and harder. Thunderstorms are not happening yet, but they will be. I'm not going off that porch, but this is a license plate out from 1979 that we found in a barn building. And yeah, so rain's getting harder. I don't think you can see it in the phone. Yeah, you can a little bit. But yeah. Yeah, the rain just keeps going quiet and harder and harder. I am glad I'm in here. Keeps getting hard and stuff. Now it's getting quieter. I'm probably gonna do that all day. Oh yeah, definitely still raining hard. It'll probably be harder in a minute. Thunderstorms are possible. Oop, there they are. Thunder. Just made noise. Oh, there comes the rain again. Harder. A little bit. Oh, thunderstorms are starting. Gonna look on my weather and tell you guys when the rain's gonna end. And so, see you guys.